अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं यूट्यूब चैनल पाइनियर साइंस एकेडमी। मैं हूं आपके साथ शकील राजपूत। आज आपके लिए लेके आए हैं पीपीएससी सब इंजीनियर सिविल CNW एंड अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स 2025 क्लब टेस्ट, जो कि हुआ है 24 तारीख को इस मंथ की, मतलब कि 24 फरवरी को। चलते हैं क्वेश्चंस की तरफ। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, स्टडी ऑफ फ्लोइंग लिक्विड एंड फोर्सेस काजिंग देयर मोशन इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास हाइड्रोकाइनेमेटिक्स, हाइड्रोडायनेमेटिक्स, हाइड्रोलिक्स या हाइड्रोलॉजी। द करेक्ट आंसर इज हाइड्रोडायनेमिक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, इन केस ऑफ स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम मेटा सेंटर लाइज एट द पोजीशन एज कंपेयर्ड विद सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास अबव, कंसाइड्स, बिलो, एनीवेयर। करेक्ट आंसर है अबव। Question number 3 है, रिजल्टेंट प्रेशर R at डैम is calculated by। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास P over W, P multiply by W, P square plus W square, P plus W. The correct answer is P square plus W square. Question number 4 है, a time period for which a particle of water detains in settling tank is called। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास डिजाइन पीरियड, स्टॉप पीरियड, डिटेंशन पीरियड, period. The correct answer is detention period. Question number 5 है, the percentage of minimum reinforcement of the gross sectional area in slabs is। ऑप्शन है हमारे पास 0.10, 0.12, 0.25, 0.50। The correct answer is 0.25%. Question number 6 है, single Flemish bond consists of। The correct answer is double Flemish bond facing and English bond backing in each course. Question number 6 के remaining options थे, English bond facing and double Flemish bond backing in each course, stretcher bond facing and double Flemish bond backing in each course, double Flemish bond facing and header bond backing in each course. Question number 7 है, the piece of a brick cut along the center of width in such a way that its length is equal to that of full brick is called। option half brick, queen closer, king closer, beveled closer। The correct answer is queen closer. Question number 8, the bearing capacity of a waterlogged soil may be improved by। option है हमारे पास grouting, chemical action, drainage, compaction। The correct answer is compaction. Question number 9 है, as compared to English bond double Flemish bond is। option है हमारे पास stronger, most compact, costly, none of the above। The correct answer is more compact. Question number 10 है, for brick construction the lime sand mortar is। option है हमारे पास 1:1, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4। The correct answer is 1:2. Question number 11 है, most commonly used section in grade aqueduct is। option है हमारे पास circular, rectangular, parabolic, horseshoe section। The correct answer is rectangular. Question number 12 है, the disintegrating pump in which solid matter is broken up before passing out is। option है हमारे पास centrifugal pump, reciprocating pump, pneumatic pump या none of these। The correct answer है centrifugal pump. Question number 13 है, value of deflection angle range as। option है हमारे पास 0 से 360, 0 से 180, 0 से 90 या 90 से 270। The correct answer is 0 से 90. Number 14 है, the minimum width of a stair in residential building is। option है हमारे पास 55 सेंटीमीटर, 70 सेंटीमीटर, 85 सेंटीमीटर या 100 सेंटीमीटर। The correct answer है 85 सेंटीमीटर. Question number 15, the type of flooring suitable for use in churches, theatres, public libraries and other places where noiseless floor covering is desired is। option है हमारे पास cork flooring, glass flooring, wooden flooring, linoleum flooring। The correct answer is cork flooring. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 है मिनिमम width of landing should be ऑप्शन हमारे पास equal to width of stairs, half the width of stairs, twice the width of stairs, one-fourth the width of stairs. The correct answer is twice the width of stairs. Question number 17 है the minimum depth of foundation in clay soil is option है हमारे पास 0.5, 0.7, 0.9, 1.2. The correct answer is 0.9 meter. Question number 18 है the vertical distance between the springing line and highest point of the inner curve of an arc is known as ऑप्शन है हमारे पास इंट्राडोज राइस स्प्रेंडल एक्स्ट्राडोज द करेक्ट आंसर इज राइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 है पिच एंड स्लोपिंग रूफ्स आर सूटेबल फॉर ऑप्शन है हमारे पास कोस्टल रेंज प्लेन रेंज covering large area all of the above the correct answer is coastal regions question number 20 है the minimum number of steps in a flight should generally be restricted to option है हमारे पास 10 12 15 no limit the correct answer is 12 question number 21 है he inclined sport at the ends of treated and rise of a stair is known as option हमारे पास baluster header naval post beam the correct answer is naval post question number 22 है the minimum compressive strength of first class bricks should be option है हमारे पास 70 kg per centimeter square 80 kg per centimeter square 90 kg per centimeter square 105 kg per centimeter square the correct answer is 105 kg per centimeter square क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 है परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन कंटेंट इन माइल्ड स्टील इज ऑप्शन है हमारे पास लेस देन 0.25 बिटवीन 0.25 एंड 0.7 बिटवीन 0.7 एंड 1.5 ग्रेटर देन 1.5 द करेक्ट आंसर इज लेस देन 0.25 क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 है mortar joint in masonry which is normal to the face of wall is known as ऑप्शन है हमारे पास bed joint wall joint cross joint bonded joint the correct answer is cross joint question number 25 है the stretcher bond in brick masonry can be used only when the thickness of wall is 90 millimeter 180 millimeter 190 millimeter 280 millimeter the correct answer is 90 millimeter the question number 26 है the most important tool in brick laying for lifting and spreading mortar and for forming joints is option है हमारे पास trowel scare bolster scotch the correct answer is trowel question number 27 है the maximum quantity of calcium chloride used as an accelerator in cement in percentage by weight of cement is option है हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 the correct answer is 2 question number 28 है tie bars in cement concrete pavement are at option है हमारे पास expansion joints construction joints wrapping joints longitudinal joints इसका करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो आपने खुद ढूंढना है और नीचे कमेंट में बताना भी है क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 है डेड स्लो इज अ ऑप्शन है हमारे पास रेगुलेटरी साइन वार्निंग साइन इंफॉर्मेटरी साइन नन ऑफ द अबव द करेक्ट आंसर इज रेगुलेटरी साइन क्वेश्चन नंबर 30 है द पीएच वैल्यू ऑफ सीवेज इज डिटरमाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑप्शन है हमारे पास इन हाफ कौन टर्बिडमीटर पोटेंशियोमीटर none of these potential correct answer है potential meter क्वेश्चन नंबर 31 है वाटर कंटेंट ऑफ सीवेज इज अबाउट ऑप्शन हमारे पास 90% 95% 99% 99.9% द करेक्ट आंसर इज 99% क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 है फॉर ड्रेनेज पाइप्स इन बिल्डिंग्स द टेस्ट अप्लाइड बिफोर पुटिंग देम टू यूज इज ऑप्शन है हमारे पास वाटर टेस्ट स्मोक टेस्ट स्ट्रेटनेस टेस्ट या स्ट्रेटनेस टेस्ट करेक्ट आंसर है स्मोक टेस्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 है द रेट ऑफ पेमेंट इज मेड फॉर 100 cubic meter percent in case of option है हमारे पास earthwork in excavation rock cutting excavation in trenches for foundation all of the above the correct answer is all the above question number 34 है in the mid section formula option हमारे पास the mean depth is the average of depths of two consecutive sections the area of mid sections is calculated by using mean depth The volume of the earthwork is calculated by multiplying the mid-section area by the distance between the two original sections. या all of the above. Correct answer है all of the above. Question number 35 है plinth area of a building not includes option है हमारे पास area of wall at the floor, internal shaft for sanitary installation up to 2 square meter, lift and wall including area of cantilever porch. The correct answer is area of cantilever porch. Question number 36 है the assumption on which the trapezoidal formula for volumes is based is option है हमारे पास the end sections are parallel planes, the mid area of pyramid is half the average area of the ends, the volume of the prismodial is overestimated and hence a prismodial correction is applied. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Question number 37 है modified protected stress number of layer is option है हमारे पास 3, 4, 5, 6. The correct answer is 5. Question number 38 है the property of liquid and forces which control its rate of flow is option है हमारे पास surface tension, specific gravity, viscosity, cohesion. Correct answer है viscosity. Question number 39 है minimum height of bathroom is option है हमारे पास 2.2 meter, 5 meter, 6.6 meter, 9 meter. The correct answer is 2.2 meter. Question number 40 है chemical used for rapid settlement of fine particles is called option है हमारे पास acceleration, retarder, fluorescent, coagulant. The correct answer is coagulant. Question number 41 है permanent hardness of water is due to option है हमारे पास chlorides, sulfates, bicarbonates, A and B. The correct answer is A and B. Question number 42 है in well conditioned triangle no angle should be less than option number 30, 45, 60, 70. The correct answer is 30. Question number 43 है value of deflection angle range as option है हमारे पास 0 से 60, 0 से 180, 0 से 90, 90 से 270. The correct answer is 0 से 90. Question number 44 है curve of varying radius is called option हमारे पास simple curve, compound curve, transition curve, vertical curve. The correct answer is transition curve. Question number 45 है record of speed of vehicle and time consumed during traveling can be determined in the mode of GPS. Option हमारे पास location mode, menu mode, map mode, compass mode. The correct answer is compass mode. Question number 46 है total station is measured. Option है हमारे पास angle, distance, coordinate, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. है most fire resisting stone. Option है हमारे पास sandstone, granite, limestone, laterite. The correct answer is sandstone. Question number 48 है the unit of intensity of loudness. Option है हमारे पास Newton, decibel, meter, centimeter. Correct answer है decibel. Question number 49 है central portion of the earth is termed as option है हमारे पास core, mantle, crust, magma. Correct answer है core. Question number 50 है cost of electricity added in estimate of building. Option है हमारे पास 2, 4, 6, 8. करेक्ट आंसर है 8%. आज की वीडियो में आपके लिए इतना ही था. वीडियो अगर आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ लगे हुए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो आप तक बर वक्त पहुंच सके. अल्लाह हाफिज़.